Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily convert any document from LIT or lit format to any other format. To begin, open your browser and type Calibre and hit enter. Under Calibre eBook Management, click on download. At this stage we are getting the Calibre software, so choose the version which matches with your operating system. I'm a user of Windows, so I will click on the Windows one. Here click on download Calibre 64-bit and wait until the download is over. Once the download is over, go ahead and install the software as you do with any other software. And once the installation is done, make sure to open your operating software or the Calibre software. As a next step, you will need to localize your document. Click on the document and drag inside inside the window of Calibre. The reading of the document will begin, and once it's completed, it should show like this. Click on the document to be selected in blue and select Convert Books, Convert Individually. And here you can choose what output format you need, if it's a PDF, PDB, LRF, etc. So for me, for this video, I will choose this format. You can edit the details and click OK once you are done. Under Jobs, click on it in the bottom, and you will see once the progress is finished, you can click to close. After that, right-click on the document, Save to Disk, Save to a disk in a single folder. Select the folder and it will start saving it. And as you can see, once it's done, it will automatically open the file where it has been saved, and you will see that your file has been converted accordingly. So here I have the newest document and it's been just created now, the LRF document to which I converted to. Once done, you can go ahead and close your software as in no longer needed. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.